In the 1960s, the X-15 rocket plane defined the absolute limit of human aerospace engineering and atmospheric flight. Test pilot Joseph Walker piloted one of these machines to Mach 4, a speed of 3,400 miles per hour. While traveling at that extreme velocity, Walker reported that two dish-shaped objects passed overhead and casually paced his aircraft. Then there's Major Robert White, who pushed the X-15 even further, reaching the very edge of space at an altitude of 314,000 feet. Up in that extreme upper atmosphere where human engineering struggles to survive, White also observed mysterious objects maneuvering nearby. When the fastest machines flown by our most elite pilots are easily matched, it suggests these objects possess a level of flight performance that human engineering simply cannot explain. The capability gap becomes even wider when we look at radar data. In 1956, military operators at RAF Bentwaters and Lakenheath tracked an object traveling across the screen at several thousand miles per hour. Then the target did something mathematically impossible. It stopped dead in the air without any deceleration. To intercept this target, the Royal Air Force scrambled a de Havilland Venom fighter jet. But as the jet approached, the unidentified object instantly broke its hover, accelerating so fast it effortlessly outmaneuvered the Venom to appear directly behind it. Decades later, highly enhanced modern military sensors continue to record this same defiance of traditional flight. This vector chart compares the wide sweeping turn radius of a standard jet fighter against military tracking data from the Arabian Sea in October 2020. Sensors recorded an object traveling at 20 miles per hour, making sharp geometric directional changes that would tear a conventional fixed-wing aircraft apart. In January 2024, over the Mediterranean Sea, an operator using infrared sensors tracked a diamond-shaped craft traveling at 500 miles per hour, operating without any visible exhaust or propulsion systems. Across 7 decades, military tracking data consistently records vehicles operating entirely outside the boundaries of human aerodynamics, inertia, and propulsion. Robert White's flight to the edge of space proved how difficult it is to survive beyond Earth's atmosphere. When the Apollo 17 mission entered the vacuum of deep space in 1972, human engineering encountered phenomena that were already waiting for them. Astronauts on the mission reported seeing tumbling bright fragments, while Commander Eugene Cernan observed an intense flashing light that he compared to the headlights of a train. NASA even captured photographic evidence during the mission, showing 3 distinct unexplainable dots holding a precise triangular formation against the blackness of space. We expend massive amounts of energy and capital to violently push capsules into a vacuum, yet these unidentified objects maneuver in that exact same hostile environment with complete silence and ease. The aerospace capability gap extends far beyond our sky. These machines operate seamlessly in domains that push our best technology to its absolute breaking point. Faced with this physics-defying data, the U.S. government adopted a strict public strategy. They aggressively debunked sightings to prevent mass hysteria. In 1953, the CIA backed the Robertson Panel, a committee specifically tasked with orchestrating the public dismissal of the flying saucer phenomenon. But behind closed doors, high-ranking intelligence officials recognized the profound vulnerability this capability gap represented. Former CIA Director Roscoe H. Hillenkotter admitted in 1960 that senior Air Force officers were deeply concerned about the phenomenon, even as they used secrecy and ridicule to dismiss public reports. Looking at this data chart derived from official Air Force investigations, we see that roughly 20% of all investigated cases stubbornly defied any natural or earthly explanation. The recent release of declassified Pentagon files serves as a reluctant admission of a massive technological disadvantage. The significance of these files lies in a documented reality. For over half a century, the world's most elite military forces have shared the sky with technologies they cannot replicate, defend against, or comprehend.